you that no one else can see. In your heart, the lonely one, afraid to be lost again. Need a friend. You hide your soul to keep the hurt inside. All alone, your tears call out into the night. Is he there? Does he care? Yes, I know your name. Every prayer you pray. I'm the one who brought you to this place. The voice who sings to you, the hand that clings to you. Oh, my child, I've always known your name. Known your name. I hold you close to me, close to heart. And this kind of love will find you anywhere you are. Never fear, I am here. Yes, I know your name. Every prayer you pray. I'm the one who brought you to this place. The voice who sings to you, the hand that clings to you. Oh, my child, I've always known your name. Known your name. Yes, I know your name. Every prayer you pray. I'm the one who brought you to this place. The voice who sings to you, the hand that clings to you. Oh, my child, I've always known your name.
Developing story, a breaking news story tonight. A major earthquake has hit Haiti to the south and east of the U.S. and Cuba. Magnitude 7.0, making it the largest quake ever recorded in this region.
Just joining us, we're following the breaking news out of Haiti. The largest, most powerful earthquake in the region's history has crippled the country, measuring 7.0. Its epicenter was just a few miles outside the capital, Port-au-Prince. There are reports of toppled buildings there. We've seen pictures of some dead bodies in the streets. There are reports of trapped victims screaming for help. One aid worker.
The earthquake reached far into the mountains outside Port-au-Prince, where an American woman runs an orphanage called God's Littlest Angels. Dixie Bickle felt the massive quake and the aftershocks. She joins us now by phone. Dixie, good morning to you.
Good morning, Matt. How are you?
I'm all right. Tell me how you are and what it was like to live through this.
Well, we're better this morning. Last night was awful.
preparing in Miami International for the relief effort. And quite a bit of stuff. So.
Joining us now in Portland, Oregon, will you hear this story? Jill Wilkins, she and her husband were in the process of finalizing their adoption of a little Haitian boy when the earthquake happened. She's in Portland. Her husband, Joe Wilkins, is in Miami. He's trying to fly to Haiti to bring their new son home. And in Fermaith, Haiti, is Dixie Bickle. She's director of God's Littlest Angels Orphanage, from which the Wilkins are adopting their son. All right, Jill, when you heard about the earthquake, what went through your mind?
We were very, very concerned, and we didn't hear for a while if everything was okay or not. So we were trying to just, you know, ask all the people we had connections with if everyone was okay, and it took a while to figure that out.
Why don't you have him? Why weren't you able, after you adopted him, to take him home?
Well, it is a long process. There are several steps to adopt a baby out of Haiti. We did receive our referral on December 30th of 2008 when he was 6 months old. It's heartbreaking that we don't have him yet. We had a timeline kind of sketched out, and now that may be in question.
I imagine with the records buried, you'd allow Joe to come in and take Chancellor home, wouldn't you, Dixie?
We just need authorization from the Haitian government to do that, and authorization from the U.S. Government to do that.
Joe, if there's anything you can do, let us know. We'll stay close and follow this up. Red tape in an earthquake, it's a joke.
The night team's Mike Benner talked with a couple. Mike, what's the very latest on this?
Well, it appears the Haitian government has released the kids with pending adoptions, and the United States government is working to speed up the process on this end. It's something that can't come soon enough for one local family.
We just have to get the kids out of there. And I think if we don't do it quickly, like within the next couple of weeks, we risk the chance of never being able to do it.
I was sure by now, God, you would have reached down and wiped our tears away, stepped in and saved the day.
We're going to get there safely. We're going to get these kids saved. We're going to get food at the orphanages. We're going to have the doctors in their place, and they're going to do the work that they do.
Here we are, along the coast. From up high, it looks pretty calm.
Passengers in the back, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. We are landing.
Joe's about to see his son!
Let's see.
Hello!
sweet it was to come up here and see all these great babies.
Heading out to God's Littlest Angels up the hill.
Bye-bye. There's Bruce, helping out. Well, we made it to the airport and we found our spot in the grass to sit and wait for our plane to arrive.
I was waiting for
So they're coming home. Here they come. And you're not.
everyone told me to be strong. Don't shed a tear through the darkness and good times. I knew I'd make it through, and the world thought I had it all, but I was waiting for you. Hush, now I see light in the sky. It's almost blinding me. I can't believe I've been touched by an angel with love. Let the rain come down and wash away my tears. Let it fill my soul and drown.
Another photograph to wrestle in my head. Another sleepless night on concrete feather bed. And these thoughts of you like bullets to my soul. I've got to find a way to get you home. Oh, I'll find a way to get you here if it takes my fleeting breath. Another sunrise hits the ground and it's a dark, lonely sight. Light years away, I hope you know there is somebody searching for the way to get you here.
Just about the time that we're going to become American. Here we go. Going to become American.
I'll find a way to get you here if it takes my fleeting breath. Another sunrise hits the ground and it's a dark, lonely sight. Light years away, I hope you know there is somebody searching.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miami. Isla, Luz, and myself feel so very privileged to be on this aircraft. We are in awe of you. So thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of this.
Don't know what day it is. I had to check the paper. I don't know the city, but it isn't home. Would you say I'm this time we were waiting for each other? All this time I was waiting for you.
to you.
Thank you for getting it.
Let it roll right off your shoulder, don't you know? The hardest part is over, let it in. Let your clarity define you in the end. We will only just remember how it feels.
And threaten to interrupt the hopes of so many American parents who were in the process of adopting Haitian children. But today we saw an incredible delivery, an incredible moment.
On an emotional day in Miami, more than 60 American families gathered to embrace their new adoptive children from Haiti. 10 days after the massive earthquake, a midnight flight from Port-au-Prince, and more than 7 hours of processing by U.S. immigration, 81 Haitian orphans leave the Miami airport to begin a new life with new families in the United States.
It's a happy night for us around Larry King Live here at CNN. Joining us are Joe and Jill Wilkins. They were in the process of finalizing their adoption of little Samuel Chancelot when the earthquake struck. Joe traveled to Haiti last week to help bring their son and other children from God's Little Angels orphanage home to the United States. Joe, Jill, and Samuel are here with us now.
Joe and Jill started the process of adopting Samuel 2 years ago, and they'd already spent time with him in Haiti. But after the earthquake hit, they knew they couldn't leave him there another minute. Now the family is right here in Portland.
So if it would have taken 6 months, I would have been there 6 months.
Much to Joe's surprise, he and his friends took 81 orphans out of Port-au-Prince.
As many hurdles as that was, it was just every second was worth it to get him here right now.
A joyous homecoming tonight for an orphan from Haiti. A local couple adopted the boy and arrived in Portland with him this afternoon. It's one of our top local stories. Joe and Jill Wilkins finally carried little Samuel through the airport to greet his new grandparents with hugs. The deadly quake in Haiti fast-tracked the 20-month-old orphan's journey to Oregon. Jill Wilkins traveled to Port-au-Prince last week to fetch Samuel from his orphanage, and Jill says she'll never forget the first moment she held her son.
Got my name, and I just ran to the door, and that was the moment that was caught. I saw them both, and it was incredible.
It was great. I mean, they on the plane, they said, "Welcome home, Samuel."